Yeah.
Mommy.
Oh, be careful. Morning. Morning, Naya. Snowy. So much snow. Bird. Bird. Be careful in walking. So slippery. Lamig. Hello po. Magandang umaga. Magandang hapon. Magandang gabi. Today is December 7. Sunday. Church day. Sobra kahapon. Maghapong nag-snow. So, it builds the snow right now. Tapos, wet ka. Hirap maglakad. So, be careful. Para di madulas. Magkawal magmadali. Na ang simba, currently alas 12 na ng hapon. Lamig.
It's cold. It's cold. Daddy got me. Daddy got me.
Oh, I'm gonna do this one about.
Daddy got me. This.
Oh, your hood. Your hood. About your hood. May hood na, oh. Hood namang.
It's cold. It's cold. Basa ko na ako. Mabasa yung books ko. Yung waterproof yung books ko.
Lamig nga. Windy. It's cold daw, sabi ni Naya. Sobrang lamig. Kain na muna kami. Bago kami pumunta ng DFC. Sa Walmart. Maybe.
It's fun. It's fun, Daddy.
Snow.
Marami snow. Wow, very cold. Marami snow. Okay, nag-sit na. Yung danom niya. Broken.
Broken. Dito kami ngayon sa Popeyes. Tiyang OCD. Sabi niya kay daddy niya, Daddy, I want french fries. Dito kami sa Popeyes. Of course, walang kamatayan. Bumili si daddy ng gravy sa KFC.
Woof. Kaya pagal ka?
Napagod ka? Kinuha mo yung chair? O, tanggal mo yung ano mo. Sweater mo.
Kanan mo yung tinapi, ma?
Alige. Oh, tanggalin mo muna yung ano mo.
Here.
Tanggalin mo na yung coat niya. Kabayat kasi yung jacket ba yan?
Magkano?
Let's buy friend.
Tanggalan mo ulit ang snow. Ayusin ni Mami ano. Yummy French fries. Kapag din ka. Ay, nasira. Slowly, pull it slowly. Ay, nasira. Meron pa naiwan, no? Meron pa naiwan. Nakan yung gamit. Till na. Sapatos na kayo.
This is different. It's a party cake.
You want to see yourself? Hi. Hi ka daw. Hi ka daw.
Hey.
Where are we?
Kiskusan mo na yung gamit.
Where are we right now? Alipam. Where are we? Where are we? Say them. What are you gonna eat? I asked Daddy to buy me fries.
No.
Wash hands.
No red.
Naya,
Wash
wipe
hands.
your hand because you hold your shoes. The shoes is so dirty, has a snow. So that need to clean
right
your hands
there.
so you can eat now your fries.
Fries is coming.
What?
Fries is coming.
Here, price.
So you can eat fries.
Meron ba?
Just want to...
Eh, naburing punasan yung gamat
Don't
na
cry.
kasi til na yung sapatos.
Don't cry. Ito na yung price mo. Price, price.
Tama na.
Don't cry.
No more crying, enough na.
Why? Don't cry, don't cry. Ito na yung French fries. French fries na, ah. Don't cry na, don't cry.
Malag na din.
Don't cry na, my love.
Nakita ka nila, oh. They're crying. They saw you crying.
Don't cry na. Ano? Yan ito na ating
Inayo mo. Saw-saw mapa ay makaya, malak.
Buti nakatugo. Hindi nakabox.
Lalatan.
Kaya nakatugo, naka ano.
Lalatan dito ko nun.
Yan.
What happened? What? Chicken?
Hindi namin tinapin anak. Tayo yung kayo, yan daw eh. Pinto. Nayulan lang.
Oh. Chicken ako. You don't want?
I like
French fries only?
beef.
Pagod. Pagod.
Naya. Naya. Konti lang nakain ni Naya. Fries lang kinain niya. Ayun ang chicken tsaka tinapay. Mas marami pa akong nakain. What's that? Where's daddy?
Go in the washroom. Go in the washroom. Daddy, go pee-pee. Oh, asan daddy?
Ano ka nun? Where is daddy? Ah. Oh.
Blend lang yung ganun.
Ako may. Bag na. Wait for me. Kami ng TNT. Bili ng ano. Tawag dito. Atay ng manok.
Abalo kang len-len.
Atay!
Tingnan yung
Ayaw niyang mag stroller. Kaya ito ang balak niya. Gusto niyang mag-push ng cart. Marunong na mag-shopping. Gusto niya ng bread. Ay. Si Maron. A crab? It's a big crab.
Cannot get it.
Yummy orange.
Get it. Cannot get it. There's a glass.
Mm.
Mommy.
Oh.
Mommy.
Mommy get the orange. I cannot get it. Cannot get it. I cannot, mamang. I cannot get it. Naya get it.
Daddy, oh, cannot get it.
I cannot Janet Jete.
Daddy. Magjanat ka? Come.
No more,
No more orange.
no more fish, yeah, my love. No more.
Wala na ako pangura ng masangkit.
Okay, let's go. It's so windy. It's so cold. It's so cold. Hide to the mommy, hide. Hide, it's so cold.
Punta tayo ng Walmart. Hanap tayo ng leggings ni Naya. Kasi yung mga sinusuot niya, yung iba masikip. Masikip na. Pang ano pa yun eh. Madilim. Years old, 3.
Tama si tama? Mama si
Snowman. Santa Claus.
Ay, pharmacy. Ay, pharmacy.
Ang gulo ng bahay. Naya. Uwi na, nakauwi kami 2:45. Nakatulog si Janay sa kotse. Nung pinapatulog namin siya sa kwarto, wala. Hindi na nakatulog. Ako pa ang nakatulog. Pahiga lang kami. Isang oras. Alas 4 tumayo kami. Kaya yan. Oras ngayon is alas 5 na ng hapon. Pero madilim na sa labas. Yan na. Madilim na. Naya. Hi ka daw. Hi ka daw. Tago ka? You're hiding? Tago ka na? Hi ka daw. Hi. You're hiding? Hiding, Naya. Are you hiding? Oh, what's your favorite diet? Untog na ya. Bakit basa yan? Ano nangyari? Daddy, natapon yata yung ano mo, ice cup? Naya, hide. Bulaga ka daw, bulaga. 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 You want crackers? Huh? Crackers? Tama na. You want crackers?
Uy, parang mana ng ganda. Naikot yung balakang. Tsaka baka
Are you done playing? You're done playing? You're watching na? iPad pa more? Ang linis ng bahay. Sing ka?